The dead bug is a fantastic movement to strengthen your core and your lower back. A few key aspects that we want to get right before we start. First, tuck your tailbone under and tilt your pelvis toward your ribcage. Pull your ribcage down towards the floor. You'll start to feel your abdominal wall engage. Thirdly, pull your belly button into your spine. There should be no gap between your lower back and the ground. It's important to maintain these 3 points throughout the entirety of the movement. The longer the lever, the harder this movement will be. Start by lightly tapping your heels on the ground. To increase the difficulty, straighten the leg, reaching further with your heel. Adding an additional level of difficulty by moving your hands slightly farther back toward or even past your head. Finally, as you master the above, you can move into an alternate arm-leg combination. Remember, keeping the tailbone tucked, the ribcage pulled down, and belly button into your spine.